guys, it's Arielle here from Fix My Books to help you fix your book. The last thing we're going to do with our Quickbooks Online account, and probably the thing that most people are eager to learn how to do, would be connecting your bank account and credit card to Quickbooks Online. And it's very easy and you can do it very quickly, and I'm going to show you how to do it right now. Okay, so to connect your bank account or credit card to Quickbooks Online, all you need to do would be to go to Transactions, Banking, Connect Account. Choose the name of your bank. So I'm going to connect a TD bank account, let's say. You're going to put the username and password that you use to log into your online banking. All right, so we're just going to click Continue. Okay, so we have two accounts that it's recognizing. So one is a credit card and one is a checking account. So we're gonna connect the Visa card, obviously be the credit card, and the checking account will obviously be the checking account. We both made these accounts, remember, when we were setting up the chart of accounts, and this is why we had to make it before we connected the accounts. So starting this year, January 1, 2020, click Connect. Alright, so that's it. You see that our checking account and our credit card are both connected to QuickBooks Online, and all the transactions are already showing up here. Hey guys, I hope you liked the video, and please don't forget to subscribe so you can tune in to the next videos in our tutorial series here on YouTube. And once again, this is Arielle from Fix My Books, and I'm here to help you fix your book.